landed in Stockholm, no job contract in your hand. But guess what? You are not illegal. You are not lost. You are here legally. Living in one of the cleanest, safest, and most organized countries in the world, Sweden. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let me tell you, as of August 2025, there are still legal pathways to move to Sweden without a job offer. And no, it's not about marrying a Swede or hustling blindly. It's about understanding the system that works. In this video, I'll show you 4 solid facts check and current ways to legally relocate to Sweden even if you don't have a job waiting for you. Let's break it down. First one, studying in Sweden, which is the smart entry point. If you are under 35 and still thinking about education, studying in Sweden is the most accessible path. You don't need a job offer, you need an admission letter. What's the benefit? You get a resident permit to stay in Sweden for the entire duration of your studies. You are allowed to work without hour limits, even as a student. After your graduation, you can apply to extend your permit for 12 months to find work or start a business. As at 2025, Sweden still allows non-EU EEA students to apply to university through universityadmissions.se. You must show proof of tuition payment, bank statement of at least 10,314 SEK per month, valid passports, health insurance for non-EU, and the pro tip here is apply for scholarship via the Swedish Institute SI or through university programs like non-global scholarship or Stockholm University scholarship. Some cover tuition and monthly expenses. Okay, the second one is Sweden job seeker visa. That is the hidden gem. This is for people who already have degrees but no job offer yet. Sweden introduced this job seeker and business startup visa in June 2022, and as of August 2025 it's still active. Who can apply? You must hold a degree at bachelor's level or higher. The degree must be from a recognized institution. You must show proof of funds, approximately 13,000 SEK per month. You need comprehensive health insurance. So what does this visa allow? The visa allows staying in Sweden for 3 to 9 months, search for a job or start your own business. You cannot work during this visa. It's only for job or business search. Once you get a job, apply to switch to a work permit inside Sweden. As of 2025, reality check. Sweden economy is recovering from high inflation and they are in need of skilled workers in tech, healthcare, teaching and construction. Even if you are in education, care work or engineering, this visa gives you an edge to be on ground and attend interviews. Then the third one is family reunification if you have loved ones in Sweden. Do you have a spouse, parent or child living in Sweden legally with permanent residence, work permit or citizenship? You may be able to move without needing a job, and here is how it works. You apply for a resident permit to join a family member. If approved, you can live and work in Sweden. You are allowed to renew your permit and apply for permanent residence after a few years. So who qualify as a family member? Spouse or registered partner, cohabiting partner, sambo, children under 18 years parents in some case. What's new now is that Sweden now checks more thoroughly for fake marriages and cohabiting proofs. Be ready with joint bank accounts, lease agreements, chat history, photo and video call proof. The pro tip here is if you are dating someone in Sweden, consider applying as a sambo after at least 1 year of living together. And the fourth one is freelancer or self-employed route. This is the route for creative professionals, tech workers, digital marketers, and online business owners. Sweden offers a resident permit for self-employed persons, and you don't need a Swedish job contract to qualify. You must show a viable business plan, prove that your business as international clients, or income ability to support yourself. 200,000 SEK plus for 2 years. Experience in your field, insurance plus clean criminal records. As at 25, Sweden is still open to digital entrepreneurs, especially if you are offering IT services, creative content like design, writing, video, imports or exports, language tutoring or online education. So the warning here is this process is more strict. You must convince authorities that your business is real, sustainable and long-term. How to boost your Sweden relocation chances. Whether you are applying through study, job search or family, follow this updated 2025 tip. First thing is keep your passport valid. Make sure you have at least 6 to 12 month validity left. No embassy will process expired or soon to expire passports. The second thing is polish your LinkedIn. Swedish employers love LinkedIn. Use a professional profile picture. List your skill and start connecting with people in Sweden before you arrive. The top thing is learn basic Swedish. Use free apps like Duolingo or paid ones like Babel. While English works, Swedish helps you integrate and improve your job chances, especially in government or care work. And the fourth thing is don't lie on your application. I do say this a lot. Sweden has strict rules. One false document or unverified claim can get you banned for up to 5 years from the Schengen zone. Then the fifth thing is join online communities, join Facebook or WhatsApp groups like Nigerians in Sweden, African students in Sweden, Swedish job seeker support. This group share live job updates, room rentals and experiences you won't find on Google. Prepare your documents properly. Degree certificates, bank statements, translated documents, Swedish or English, proof of housing if required. In this 2025, it's no longer enough to just wish your way into Europe. You have to be organized. So can you move to Sweden in 2025 without a job offer? The answer is yes, absolutely. But you must choose the right path. Either study route, job seeker visa, family reunification, self-employed or freelance routes. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more simple, honest migration videos. Drop a comment below which of these options are you considering. And remember, you don't need to fake documents or fall for agents. Information is power. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in Sweden someday. Bye.